I'm sitting just in front of the dock with Mr Pistorius directly behind me, probably about half a metre away, which means that I can hear him very well, but it's a little awkward to turn around and stare at him. Sitting quite so close to probably one of the most famous defendants in South Africa's legal history is quite an intense situation. I imagine as the day goes on, it will become increasingly intense as Mr Pistorius inevitably loses his composure and cries, as he has so often in the past. I was asked by his lawyer to get his attention. They want him to write down the evidence that's being heard today. I imagine that might be in an attempt to keep his mind focused and stop him from breaking down so much. Yesterday, the magistrate had to call a halt to proceedings because he was crying so hard that it was felt he probably wasn't able to take in what was happening, and obviously for legal purposes it's important that he can do that. There's an atmosphere in the court generally of maybe a little more relaxed than yesterday. We've heard quite a bit of the evidence already, and Mr Pistorius' side of things. So really, I think it's just people are settling into a bit of a rhythm with this one. They feel perhaps a little happier knowing a few more of the facts, knowing which of those reports we saw early in the media are correct and which are incorrect. And we will just wait to see. The next big hurdle is whether he can bail or whether he will be sent to Pretoria Central Prison, which, from what we understand from authorities here, is a pretty horrific place.